is up, YouTube? It's your girl KT, and I'm back with another video on the Little Caesars app. So, first things first, download the Little Caesars app. Once you've done that, hit start new order. Now, the thing that I love about the Little Caesars app is that as your first option, you can choose your method of delivery. For this example, I'm going to be choosing the pickup option. Now, for selecting your store, it gives you a couple of different options on how you want to do it. So you can use your current location, or you can type in your city, state, or zip code. Once you pick the method you want, fill in the information. Once you pick your store, you will have two options. Now, with ASAP, the store will make your order and you can pick it up as soon as possible. And here's another great feature that the Little Caesars app offers. With later, you can schedule your order for pickup now. This is good for, let's say you have a birthday party coming up and you know it's going to be a huge order. This option is the one to use because not only will your order be placed, it will be prioritized for that day. And you finally made it. Here comes the fun part, ordering your food. Here are all the options Little Caesars has on their menu. So for my example, I'm going to be selecting the thin crust pepperoni. Now once you've selected your pizza, the final step is checkout. Now when checking out, you have two options here. You can either hit checkout or you can hit add more items. Now when checking out, there's going to be some form or fashion of an advertisement. Like, come on, you know they're gonna want you to buy more food. You can either hit no thanks or add to bag. Now with taxes and fees, you end up having a grand total of $9.62. And since we chose the option of pickup, we have two options, in-store or pickup. I chose drive-through. Now just review the following information and make sure everything's straight. Then hit create payment. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.